Hey there, food safety champions! We know the daily grind can be tough, especially with business practice that sometimes complicate our jobs. One such practice is the just-in-time approach, which many businesses have embraced over the years. Originally crafted by Toyota in post-World War II Japan, this system is all about efficiency, producing just what you need right when you need it. But as we know, this can be a double-edged sword for food safety. First off, there is hardly any wiggle room when a new material arrives. No time for in-depth testing, no buffer for positive release procedures, just pressure to use them right away. And if there's contamination, well, it spreads like wildfire across production lines. Plus, the constant race to meet commitments without any safety net means finding and testing alternative suppliers a nightmare. So, let's get real. These are the reasons why just-in-time can be a food safety minefield. We'd love to hear from you, share your experience, and now you have tackled these challenges. Thanks for stopping by. Food Safety Pros, your dedication to keeping food safe is awesome. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. See you next time. Bye bye.